Hello, welcome to my channel. Happy Friday. Just going to do a little video on the e30. So I've got this car in again at last. So I'm going to be doing some more work on this car next week. Hopefully I'm going to get it in paint. So I've got the back there all in primer. The wings, the bonnet was painted. I'm not sure where I left it on the last video. I think I painted the engine bay out. I was a bit drunk by the time I finished painting that. It was late at night. I think I finished painting the engine bay out by about 11 o'clock or something. So I've got that all painted out. It's a bit dusty under there actually at the moment. Somewhere I've been polishing the bonnet. So there's still some more bits to go under there. I've got fitted some hoses. I've had to put that RDX aluminium sensor block on there, so it's got the switch in there that operates the fan I've put on. So I've fitted an electric fan to the front of the radiator. Obviously I've had the radiator out, so I've given it a clean up. You see it's looking a lot better there. Lights in, bumper's just on loose. Needs all fastened up properly. Obviously I rebuilt the wings, I welded up the wings. Still got the old wheels on this side. There's some spaces to go on with the new wheels that I've got that match the other side. So quite nice wheels. I bought these wheels not long after I bought the car. I deliberately bought them to push me on to get the vehicle done. It's not really helped push it on, but we're getting somewhat near now. So I've just been getting a load of bits out the car. I've actually got, so there's some sound deadening in that roll there, the silverback sound deadening. I'm going to put that under the bonnet, and I've been looking for the bonnet stay. It goes there and it goes down there somewhere. Just zoom back out. Come on, zoom out. I don't know, I can't remember if I had the bloody thing when I bought the car. I can't remember if it was on, if it wasn't on. But I've emptied the boot out, I've got all these bits down here. So the car's just been outside with the cover on it, but the cover, I don't know, maybe there's a little hole in it or something, but the water's got in here somehow, unless it's got in before. So I need to sort out some drain holes in there. I don't know if it's already got drain holes in there and they're blocked, or I need to put some drain holes in. But I did do a load of welding on this lower corner, and I rebuilt that lower corner. I'll have to suck all that out with a hoover and dry it all out, clean it up and paint it. Bit rusty on top of there, so the boot does want, it's going to want sand up and painting. I was thinking about maybe bed liner inside the boot, I don't know. I might do. It won't scratch as well, will it, if I put bed liner in there? I mean, I guess there's a carpet to go in there, but I don't know, something to think about. That's the 250 there, my TZR 250 3MA. I bought that the other week. That's something else I'll put it on my channel for people to follow. I'm going to paint the wheels and tidy it up, and I'll be using that this summer. So there's some trims on the top of the car. I'm just getting bits and bobs together, ready to go back on, clean bits up and things. I'm going to start by putting bits back inside the car. I've had all the dash out because of the wiring problems I had. If you look at all that wiring in there. I don't know why there's so much wiring on these cars, unbelievable. We'll go around the other side. So, well, all this bloody wiring in here, I don't know why there needs to be so much wiring for the door on a 80s car. I mean, I don't know what it does apart from operate the electric windows, the central locking, but I don't know, why do you need all that wiring? I don't know. There's just wires, boxes everywhere on the thing. You can guarantee it's going to break down on me one day, and it'll be because of wiring, old knackered wiring. So I've gone through bits of it, cleaned it up and done things here and there to try and stop that happening. The interior is quite good on the car. I'm going to give it a good clean up. Get one of these kits to recondition it. Driver's seat's not bad. It's just starting to go on that seam there. I think I'll condition it. I'll probably put seat covers on it anyway. Possibly some grey seat covers. Obviously the sun will heats the black leather up. I've had that problem before. So come back round here. I've bedlined this here, so it's all nice and hard, nice and protected. There's obviously all the repair work. I've put a quarter on one side of this. I can't remember which side I put an arch on. It might be this side. I don't know, it could be this side. I think it was this side. I put an arch on and filled it all on. You can see that in one of my videos. If you go to have a look through the BMW videos, you'll see me putting the arch on. I've done quite a lot of work on this car, to be honest. There is quite a lot of good footage of stuff I've done, welding, repair work on it. These wings, the state these wings were in, they were absolutely knackered. So I fabricated some bottoms for these wings, painted them, so they need to come off, and I'm going to prime inside them, and again bedliner inside them. Bonnet wants a good flat and polish off. It's been outside with a cover on it and the wind blowing about, so it's been scratching it. Roof's in good condition, wants a bit of a clean up, but apart from a clean, it's in good condition. So I think I will get a hard top for it at some point. I missed an opportunity one actually. I could have had one for about I think it was about 600 quid or something he wanted for it. Needed prepping and painting up. It was blistered. Should have got it really. It was just storage at the time. I didn't get it. I should have done. And then I've seen another one for £1,500. You do see them crop up on eBay for various prices. I think the prices are all over really. So yeah, next week I hope to get a lump more work done to it. I'm going to do a video on the DTR, another video on the DTR project as well at some point. That's in there. I've got a bit more done to that. The engine's more or less built up on that bike now. There's a few other bits to do. I'll get the exhaust on it. I've got a tank down here from my mate's Kajiva. He's got a nice Cagiva meter. He's given me this to paint for him. So you see it's got some rust on there. It's all rusting around the edges. Usual places to go. It's got some dents in it. Knackered this side. So I've already made some decals to go on this. I've made some white decals to go on this. I'm going to get this all paint stripped and repaired, painted, fresh decals on, get it back to him, and I'll have the bike here and I'll do a video on that bike as well. It'll be a nice bike, so it'll be nice to get a video done of that. So that's about it for this video. I'm gonna carry on having another quick look for the bonnet stay. If I can't find one, I'll probably go on eBay and order one off eBay. And then I'll probably find it once I've ordered one off eBay. Sod's law. So that's an update on the BMW e30 project. I'll be back with another video on this car next week, and hopefully I'll have it painted. So we'll see, will I have it painted for next Sunday? So it's Friday today, a week on Sunday. Will this car be in paint? We'll see. So that's me. I'll leave this video there. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed already, please subscribe. And I'll be back on next Sunday with another video. Thanks for watching.